Next is the oxidation state 3. In this case, iron having 3d, 5 electron. Iron 3 positive is very important oxidation state. It is called ferric salt, which is obtained by oxidizing corresponding iron 2 positive salt to iron 3 positive salt. Iron 3 plus solution are frequently yellow brown in color. What the color is due to the presence of the colloidal iron oxide or hydrated oxides. Iron 3 positive form crystalline salt with all the common anion except iodide, and many of these salts exist in both anhydrous and hydrated form. They have variety of color. Ferric trichloride with 6 water molecule, ferric trifluoride with 4.5 water molecule, and iron sulfate with 9 water molecule are yellow in coloration. Ferric bromide with 6 water molecule and ferric fluoride are green in color. Iron nitrate with 6 molecule of water is colorless, and iron nitrate with 9 molecule of water is pale purple color. Oxides and hydrated oxide. Iron 3 positive oxide exist in a number of forms. Iron oxide may be obtained by the thermal decomposition of the iron salt in air. These are the types of iron oxide. The first one, that is the red brown, it is also called alpha iron oxide. It is obtained by heating hydrated hydroxide in boiling water. It has hexagonal closed packed oxide ion lattice, the array of oxygen atom with 2/3 octahedral site filled with iron atoms. Next is gamma iron oxide. It is obtained by careful oxidation of iron oxide and has the oxide ion in the cubic close packing with iron 3 positive randomly distributed between octahedral and tetrahedral holes. Iron 3 oxide does not combine with water to form ferric hydroxide, but hydrated with this formula is known. Next is the halide. The halides such as ferric trifluoride, ferric trichloride, ferric tribromide may all be prepared by direct reaction of halogen and metal. These have different color. Ferric trichloride with 6 water molecule, ferric trifluoride with 9.5 water molecule are yellow, ferric tribromide with 6 water molecule and ferric trifluoride are green in color. The iodide does not exist in a pure state because iron 3 positive oxidize iodide ion. In solution, this oxidation is complete, but ferric triiodide may exist with ferrous iodide in the solid state. So this one is the reaction showing the existence of iron 3 positive and iron 2 positive in this reaction along with iodide ion. Iron 3 positive compounds are less ionized than those of iron 2 positive compounds. Ferric trifluoride. It is a white solid. It is strongly soluble in water, but the solution does not give a positive test for iron 3 positive and fluoride ion. It combined with alkali metal fluoride forming complex such as with this formula. In this case, iron that is linked with 6 fluoride ion. Next is the ferric trichloride. It is almost a black solid. It sublimes at 300 degrees Celsius, giving a dimeric gas. The solid structure has layer lattice consisting of closed packed halide ion with iron 3+, occupying 2/3 of octahedral hole in one layer and none in the next layer. Ferric trichloride dissolved in both ether and water, giving solvated monomeric species. Iron 3 positive chloride is usually obtained as yellow-brown lumps of the hydrated ferric trichloride with 6 molecules of water. The structure of ferric trichloride is unusual. It is normally consists of trans structure with this formula, and in strong hydrochloric acid it forms tetrahedral ferric tetrachloride ion. So this one is the structure of ferric trichloride in gas. It will act as a dimer. It is the solvated structure with ether, and it is the hydrated ferric trichloride. Next is the complexes. Iron 3 positive ion has a strong tendency to form the complexes. Iron 3 positive show a preference for forming complex with the ligand which coordinates through oxygen as opposed to nitrogen. Complex with ammonia ligand are unstable in water. Complex with chelating nitrogen ligand such as dipyridine and 1,10-phenanthroline are formed but are less stable than their iron 2 positive counterpart. The most common complex is the hydrated ion with this formula having 6 water molecule linked with iron. This is pale purple in very strongly acid solution and tend to hydrolyze to yellow at pH between 2 to 3 due to small size and high charge density of iron 3 positive. At pH 4 to 5, the hydroxyl species polymerize to form a dimer which form a brownish solid. Polymerization of aqua ion is quite common, especially if they have high charge. At high pH, even a reddish brown precipitate of hydrous oxide with this formula is also formed. Other complexes with oxygen donor include those with phosphate ion, giving this complex having 3-phosphate that is attached with the iron, and in this case with this formula which is colorless, and with oxalate ion giving the dark green complexes with this formula having 3 oxalate ligand, and in this case 3 acetyl acetonate ligand. It is red in coloration. Complex with this formula having 6 cyanide ligand is red, and with 3 phenanthroline with this formula is blue, and both can be obtained by oxidizing the corresponding iron 2 positive complexes with potassium permanganate by electrolysis. So it is all about the oxidation state of iron 3 positive complexes. Next is the oxidation state 4, and it is 3d4 system. The oxidation state of the low spin trans iron complex with diarsenine, where diarsenine is orthophenylene bis dimethylarsenine with nitric acid, lead to the formation of iron 4 low spin trans iron complex with orthophenylene bis dimethylarsenine. Among the few other reported compounds of iron in the tetrapositive oxidation state are the mixed oxide of barium with this compound and this compound obtained by heating hydrous 3 oxide and barium oxide in the presence of oxygen at 1100 degrees Celsius. They disproponate into iron 3 and iron 4 on treatment with water. Next is the oxidation state 5 and it is 3D system. In this case, a pentavalent oxonine with this formula containing iron 5 has been reported. Next is the oxidation state 6 and it is 3-2 system. Purple dark red ferrate 6 are obtained by oxidation of a suspension of hydrous iron 3 oxide in concentrated alkali with hypochlorite. Iron 6 ion is fairly stable in concentrated alkali, but in neutral or acidic solution it can readily decompose. It is a stronger oxidizing agent and is stronger than potassium permanganate. Next one is the low oxidation state. The lower formal oxidation state occur in carbonyls and carbonylate anions such as iron 5 carbonyls and this carbonyl of irons. The carbonyls containing iron in 0 oxidation state and are very common. These may be mononuclear with this formula, dinuclear with this formula and trinuclear with this formula. Iron 5 carbonyl undergoes oxidation readily and gas form explosive mixture with air. These carbonyl react with aqueous alkali or water, forming carbonyl anions. So it is all about the oxidation state 4, oxidation state 5, 6 and lower oxidation state of irons.